I'm preparing some starch-free rice. I'm adding some of the cilantro leaves in it. You can also add butter if you like. Now chopping some of the veggies, which is tomatoes, adding some sweet corns and some green bell pepper. You can add any color bell pepper, chopping some green like onion. Now I will just saute them with salt and pepper. These are the red kidney beans. Just added salt. You can make chicken according to your spice. These are the avocado. Now these are all the things which we just prepared right now. This is the sour cream and some shredded chicken. Now let's do the plating. Ta-da! You can also add lettuce or cheese on top.